Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Install the Xbox app and sign in with your Microsoft account so your devices can see each other. Next, on the console, enable remote features under Settings, Devices, and Connections. This lets the phone stream your games. Pair a Bluetooth controller to the phone and connect both phone and console to the same 5 GHz Wi-Fi for best latency. Once done, return to the Xbox app and allow device discovery. You'll move straight into selecting your console or cloud session next. Now you'll connect and tune the stream. Open the Xbox app and select your console for home streaming or cloud gaming if you have Game Pass Ultimate. You'll see quality options. Pick high only if your upload and download speeds are solid, otherwise choose medium to reduce lag. Make sure the controller is active and mapped correctly. Enable touch controls as a backup. Once connected, test input responsiveness by navigating menus and launching a quick app or game. Make adjustments to quality and controller settings until it feels responsive. Finish by launching the game and optimizing for play. Close other apps on your phone and keep it charging to avoid CPU throttling. Use a headset for clearer audio and enable any low latency or reduced motion options in the app to improve responsiveness. If you encounter lag or disconnects, first switch the phone to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band, restart the router and console, and lower streaming quality. If problems persist, test cloud gaming from the app as an alternative. This single troubleshooting tip will fix most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.